Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, northwestern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, southeastern Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, northeastern Lafleur County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Moffett and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fort Smith, Van Buren, Muldrow, Roland, Arkoma, Bonanza, Moffett, Fort Smith Regional Airport, Braden, Mill Creek, Rye Hill, Cottonwood, Dora. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 319 and 328. Interstate 540 between mile markers 3 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.